The 2025 Mercedes BRABUS G63 is an extraordinary fusion of power, luxury, and cutting-edge engineering, designed to dominate both urban roads and rugged terrains. This high-performance SUV, based on the legendary Mercedes-AMG G63, has been meticulously refined by BRABUS to elevate its performance, aesthetics, and overall driving experience. The exterior of the 2025 BRABUS G63 is nothing short of striking. The aggressive body kit includes a custom wide-body design, carbon fiber accents, and a redesigned front grille that bears the BRABUS logo with pride. The massive air intakes on the front bumper not only enhance its menacing look, but also serve to improve airflow and cooling. The LED lighting system, including the roof-mounted auxiliary lights, ensures maximum visibility in any condition. The flared wheel arches house enormous 24-inch forged BRABUS monoblock wheels, wrapped in high-performance tires, delivering a commanding road presence. A roof spoiler and rear diffuser add to the aerodynamics while reinforcing its muscular stance. The quad exhaust system, finished in black chrome, produces an aggressive growl that is unmistakably BRABUS. Under the hood, the BRABUS G63 is a true powerhouse. The handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine has been upgraded to deliver a staggering 900 horsepower and 1,250 newton-meters of torque. This immense power catapults the SUV from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds, an astonishing feat for a vehicle of its size. The 9-speed automatic transmission has been optimized for quicker shifts, ensuring seamless power delivery. The BRABUS Ride Control suspension system, featuring adaptive dampers, allows drivers to switch between comfort and sport modes, adapting the ride quality to various driving conditions. The all-wheel drive system, combined with a reinforced chassis, makes the G63 equally capable on city streets and treacherous off-road trails. The high-performance braking system, with massive carbon ceramic discs and 6-piston calipers, ensures exceptional stopping power, even at high speeds. The enhanced exhaust system features an electronically controlled valve that lets drivers toggle between a deep, throaty roar and a refined, subdued tone for a more discreet drive. The interior of the 2025 BRABUS G63 is a masterpiece of luxury and craftsmanship. Every surface is adorned with the finest materials, including hand-stitched Napa leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber trim. The custom BRABUS masterpiece upholstery features intricate quilted patterns, giving the cabin an exclusive and sophisticated feel. The seats, which offer both heating and ventilation, are ergonomically designed to provide maximum comfort and support on long journeys. The customizable ambient lighting system offers a palette of 64 colors, allowing passengers to tailor the atmosphere to their preference. The dashboard is equipped with dual 12.3-inch high-resolution displays, seamlessly integrated to provide access to navigation, infotainment, and vehicle performance data. The BRABUS digital instrument cluster offers real-time telemetry, including G-force readings, boost pressure, and lap times for those who wish to push their SUV to the limits. The premium Burmester 3D surround sound system delivers concert-quality audio, with 18 speakers strategically placed throughout the cabin to ensure an immersive listening experience. The rear passengers are treated to executive-class seating with individual infotainment screens, foldable tables, and a state-of-the-art climate control system. A panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, enhancing the spacious feel of the interior. Technology in the BRABUS G63 is at the forefront of automotive innovation. The MBUX, Mercedes-Benz User Experience, infotainment system, featuring an AI-powered voice assistant, allows drivers to control various functions with simple voice commands. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration provide seamless smartphone connectivity, while the wireless charging pad ensures devices remain powered throughout the journey. The advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system for effortless maneuvering in tight spaces. The off-road navigation system provides real-time topographical maps, ensuring adventurers never lose their way. The Smart Key system allows for keyless entry and remote start, enabling drivers to warm up or cool down the cabin before stepping inside. A heads-up display projects vital driving information onto the windshield, reducing the need for drivers to take their eyes off the road. The BRABUS track mode provides detailed telemetry analysis, ideal for those who wish to test the vehicle's limits on closed tracks. The off-road capabilities of the BRABUS G63 remain unmatched. The 3 differential locks, adjustable air suspension, and reinforced skid plates allow the SUV to tackle extreme terrain with confidence. With a weighting depth